Yo, 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 good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Wait, let me fix this. I got some issues with the webcam today again, gang. I gotta fix that. Yeah, just give me a little bit more time. I'll get it fixed. I tried to fix it today, but it didn't work. So, yeah, let's get into it. Forex Factory. I'll try if it works in between. I don't know what's going wrong with it. It's just turning me blue randomly. It's just turning my skin color blue, and I don't know what's the issue with it. So I'll fix it. No worries, guys. So no news. Looking clean. Everything clean. Nothing much to worry about. Let's get into the technicals. So just as I anticipated during the London stream, price is rejecting from this area of resistance. Daily pushed up really well. Now it's rejecting from this area. It's uh, creating a pullback. 4 hour pushed up, and now it's rejecting right from the area of resistance from here. As you can see, there's an area of resistance right here. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. See how well price is respecting this area. Let me mark it like this. So this is the area price rejected from, and price pulled back really good, and now price might end up moving up again from this level that I marked during London session. From this level, see how many rejections we have from this level. 1 2 3 4. So price might end up moving up, rejecting from this area, and we already have a good pullback as well with us. See, price came down, a candle closed below this support, a candle closed above this. So basically what we have right here is a 15-minute fake out, and then next candle created a salary kind of structure on the 15, but it didn't break the highs. So what I'm gonna do is let this 30-minute close, and it will be good if this 30-minute closes above this area right here. Let I'll wait for this 30-minute to close, and what my plan is to look for buys above this, breakout buys on 15, and range to sells uh, on this. So we have a range right here. So I'm going to look for sells below this, range to sells, and buys above this, breakout buys. Now let me check my uh, webcam real quick, guys. See, it's turning me red out of nowhere. I don't know what's the scene with this. I gotta fix it today. I hope you can hear me well. Let me play some music for you all. Yeah, so that's my plan. Let's see what are we going to get here in the markets. Let me look for a so we didn't close above yet. I'm still waiting for a closure above. I don't see any comments today, guys. Where are you all? Let's get more interactive while I fix my webcam. Let me check in my Nvidia broadcast. See, guys, it's still like that. Glitching bad. I don't know what's the issue. Yeah, price might end up pushing good on this candle, but I need a closure above to look for buys. How's the day going, everyone? Took any trades? Got something, or just waiting for the setups? We are missing Praveen in today's stream. He got some work to do, but we will have him from tomorrow's London session, so no worries. Holy. This inverted celery didn't look that bad, but I really needed a closure above. Let me log in into my Xauusd, guys. Just let me log in into my Xauusd really quick. back again. Hello? Hello? Let's look what's happening. Yeah, I'm waiting for this close above. Let me check my webcam now, guys. Maybe it's fixed now. It happens sometimes, it fixes itself. Yeah, guys, I gotta check it after the stream. Let's not talk about the webcam too much. It's not that important. The charts are more important. I'll be interactive with you all without a webcam, no worries. I hope you all are doing great, guys. Make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Yeah, see, that's why we wait for closures. This didn't look that bad, but my eyes were stuck on this big wick to fill. Price could have easily pushed up, broke the highs, and came down to fill the wick. And that's what happening, right? Price pushed up, broke these highs. See, price pushed up, broke these highs, tapped into those wicks, and now price might end up pushing all the way to fill these wicks. The only reason I didn't take this inverted celery on 30-minute was this big wick to fill. See, we got a really good wick to fill here. So what might happen is price might end up filling this whole wick first and then start moving up again. See, that was my anticipation, and that's what's happening right now. That's how you avoid losses in these markets. And if this closes below, I'll still wait for a range to sell. I'm not selling directly based off a closure below, because we are overall so bullish in all the time frames, 1 hour, 30, 4 hour and daily. We are so bullish, so I'll wait for a range to sell, or else if this candle just pops up back again and closes above and gives me entry, I'll go for buys. Guys, is anyone in there in this buy in these buys? These weren't that bad, but based on my data and what I have seen is I could have easily anticipated that price will break those highs and push down to fill this wick. That's why I didn't take this trade. Else, if we didn't have this big wick to fill, I would have been in these buys. So right now I'm waiting for a closure above to take these buys. That will be our best bet for the session. Guys, if you have any questions, you can type in the chat. We got some really good price action right here. So until we get into a trade, let's talk about things you want to talk about. I'll answer your questions as well. Let's see if this candle closes above or we just end up filling this whole wick. 20 minutes to NYSE open. Let's see what the market got for us. What I want is this 15-minute candle to close in this range and next 15-minute candle to close above this range, and then I'll wait for a bottom wick and then I'll go for that. I'll go for this wick to fill if I get the opportunity to, and from there we'll go. Or I might even look for this entry on this high, 1 hour high. Yeah, the only reason for not taking this trade was this big wick to fill. Okay guys, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Like, I've seen this so many times. If price has a really good wick to fill during high volumes of time, even if we are creating a good setup to move up, there are some probabilities that price might end up filling the wick. So see what's happening here. Price broke the highs, got tapped in the buyers, and now it filled a little bit of the wick, but we still have some wick to fill. So if we break these lows, we might end up filling this wick. And yeah, if we close above, I'll be looking for buys. Close above is the must bet option right here. My entry will be break off on the break of this high, which will be the current 30 minutes high as well. And if we do close above, my stop loss will go somewhere back in the range, depending on how much bottom wick we do get. If we close above, we didn't close above, let's wait for 9:30. No issues. Market just made the decision easy for me. My webcam is glitching, guys. I gotta restart my whole system to fix that, so just wait. There will be no issues with my webcam from tomorrow. There will be no technical glitches. I'll fix them all today. No issues from tomorrow, not in London session, not in NY. I'll take care of all of it, and we'll have Praveen too with us tomorrow in London session. We are having some good volume here. Price might end up moving all the way up if we break these highs. This 30-minute onion will be fire if this candle closes something like this. Something like this, a little more bullish. I'm down for the sell buys. So let's wait. We got 13 more minutes for NYSE open. Got some really good clean range for like 250 pips. Let's wait for the closure, and from there we will go. Let me look at the 4 hour once again. Yeah, I can see that 4 hour pushing up. Daily might end up rejecting though. And if we don't get this 30-minute onion right here, I'll wait for this 1 hour to close bullish, and that will be even better. Even the higher the time frame, better the confirmation. So yeah, but 30-minute onion with direction on 9:30, it's going to be fire. I can tell you that. Guys in the chat, is anyone in this buys, 30-minute inverted celery? Good evening, Sarvasanan. What's up, man? How are you doing? Are you in this buys? Yep, great man. Let's Be patient and wait for the closure above. So what was your look on the price action? What were you anticipating? Why didn't you take these buys? Can I get some lookups from you? Your views? Previous 15-minute candle seems not. Yeah, previous 15-minute candle seems like a doji kind of, and this 30-minute. See, let me tell you what was my anticipation. What I've seen throughout all my backtesting and forward testing data is when price have a really good bottom wick to fill during high times of volume, even when we get a good setup against the wick fill, price has some higher probabilities to fill the wick. Got stopped out on this. No worries, it's a good setup, but it's just following your anticipation and how experienced you are. So yeah, I am holding back here for a better opportunity at 9:30. So no worries, it was a good trade to take. Just keep this in mind. If we have a good wick to fill on the bearish side, just take this an example. If we had a good wick to fill on the bearish side and you are going for the buys during the high times of volume, just keep this in mind. Price might break the highs and end up pushing down to fill that wick. Same goes for bullish. If you have some good wick to fill on the bullish side and you are going for sells, so just keep this in mind. Price might end up filling the wick. So just like what's happening here, price came up, broke the highs, now it came down, it stopped out most of the buyers, and maybe it will stop out all the buyers below this wick. So we might see a push to down here as well. But if this 30-minute closes bullish onion above this level, 15-minute breakout, I'm down to take this take these buys. So let's see. We got 8 minutes to wait. Let's wait for NYSE. I hope you all are doing great, bro. Yeah. Same plan, Sarvan, same plan. It will be a 15-minute breakout, a 30-minute onion. So yeah, looks great. See, that's how you avoid most of the losses. Avoid good trades for better trades. Let's wait for the NYSE opening, guys. Let's see what we're going to get from there. We got 6 minutes to wait. Let's see if price holds up and closes with a good 30-minute body, and with a good bottom wick on the next candle, I'll go for buys on the break of this high. 9:30 volume, direction onion setup, just fire. That will be a setup for me. I'll look for partials somewhere right here. Might go, yeah, I'll look for partials somewhere here. And let's see. My stop losses will go down back in the range. And yeah, looks great. I might go break even right here too. Or I'll just give it some room to play around. Something like this to the highs. Three more minutes to wait. Let's see if we are going to get anything. $930 volume should push the price up. I might even go for this whole wick fill, but let's see what market's got for us. Two more minutes, looking good so far. I just need this 30-minute to close a little above this level, like onion kind of. Let's see a good closure, Goldie. Give us a good closure. If this closes like this, I'm still on for this trade because it's 9:30 NYSE opening. But a doji, I'll just wait for something better. One more minute. Let's see if we can see a little push up for a good body for this 30-minute. One more minute to go. 1 hour looking good. 30 looking 30. I need a good candle closure. This is not the kind of closure I'm looking for. I need a good body close, a good bullish body close. If this closes like this, I'll just avoid this trade and wait for the better one. Price is avoiding to close above this area, struggling to close above this area. Let's see. A little bit more bullish, few more pips, and I'm down to take this. If this closes like this, I'm not interested. Yeah, I'm not taking this. Price did close above that 15-minute level, but I'm just not convinced because of this 30-minute time frame. Might look for current candle entry. Let's see. Right here, I might look for a current candle entry, but for that what I need is to come back up, break the highs again, flip back bearish once again, and then break the highs once again. That will be my entry for the 9:30 candle. So let's see. I need this to flip back bullish, break the highs, come down, either break the lows or just flip back bearish once again, and I'll go for this current candle entry. So let's see if this breaks the highs. If it goes, it goes. I can't do anything. Yeah, it breaks the high. Let's see flip back bearish once again. Give us Goldie, flip back bearish once again. I need this to flip back bearish once again, and then I'll go for these buys. Yeah, I'm having some sell stops, guys. Buy stops, guys. So my entry is right here.
Stop filled.
Yep, I'm in. My stop loss will go down on this current candle, somewhere here for 120 pips. My target is that area right there. So let's see what price does. Sell 3 stops and sell 3. Let's see the break of that high. My TP is 4709.9. 4709.1. 4709.1. Yeah, that's my TP right there. Now let's see how this plays out. We broke the highs, looking good so far. Every time frame it's looking good to push up. I'll go break even right here. That's my break even point. Yeah, I'm going break even here, guys. If you want, you can still hold this. I am break even in this. Price might end up rejecting from that area, or what I can do, I'll just give it, I'll still give it some room to play around. If this breaks its own high once again, I'm going break even. We have some really good volume here. Yeah, so I'm going break even right here. Let's see the final push.
Order
Yep.
filled.
Guys, TP hit. Can we get some W's in the chat, gang? Great trade, great execution, great management. W trade. Let me just exit. Yep. So starting the stream with a really good winner. Let's go. Let me get some W spammed in the chat, gang. Really great execution. TP hit in like 2 or 3 minutes, I guess. So great execution, great plan. That's how we follow the plan and win. And yep, I hope you all took this as well and understood the reason behind this trade. Hey, my brother, first trade in live, great. Praveen, did you take this trade as well? Let me get a screenshot. No worries, bro. I know you are busy today. Just focus on what you are doing right now and just take care. So yeah, copy link. Let me copy this link. Great trade. I hope you all understood the reason behind this trade, guys. The reason behind this trade and what was my entry, how did I execute. So that's how we bag off the 930 volume, the NYSE volume in the high volume times. So yeah, great execution, W. I hope you all enjoyed this trade and loved it. So yep, I'm done for the day. One and done and dusted. So if you have any questions, you can type it and I'll answer them. And let me just create a journal for this and upload this in our Discord server as well. Let me put it in our Discord as well. Yep. So guys, let me know if you have any questions on this trade or any questions regarding anything. I'm here to answer you all. It's a great trade and see how I waited on a better setup than a good setup. If I took this, I know I would have gotten stopped out, but this was better execution than this would have been. So yeah, let me get this in the journal. So this was a 30-minute onion plus 15 breakout. 15 breakout. Time is 7 p.m. Xauusd. Direction. I am marking it as a 15 breakout, guys. Okay, that was the plan after all. London. This is NY session trade. Current candle. Win. Secure 1.2. Let me put this in right here. Price might even push higher. We still have a really clean range to push up. Copy link. And yeah, guys, if you need this journal as well, just DM me on Discord or just hit me up on Instagram. 30-minute current candle entry with NYSE volume. Yep. So patience pays, guys. We waited whole day for a single trade, followed our plan, and now we just bag of it. You don't need to do anything more. Guys, just let me check if I deleted all my orders on trade. Wait, we need to delete it, right? Just a minute, just give me a minute. Yep, that's right, Praveen. Patience always pays. Just trust your plan, trust the plan, follow the plan, and just execute without hesitation. And yeah, you are halfway there. We hit TP in what, like 1, 2, 3 minutes? Yeah, we got our TP in like 3 minutes. 110 pips in 3 minutes. Sounds good to me. And there's a reason this was my TP. See how price is ejecting from that area now and struggling to push up. Guys, if you have any questions, you can hit me up. So guys, I guess I'll leave you all early today. I got to fix my webcam and I got to fix all the technical issues we are getting in our live streams. And yep, so let's see you all tomorrow. It was a great session, great trade, great execution. We waited all day for a trade, we got it, we bagged off it, and now we just enjoy our day. Hope you all have a great day. Enjoy it with your family. Do some fun stuff. And yeah, stay blessed and stay out of trouble. I can't stop my streaming for some reason. So many glitches here, man.